you remember when Wendy's had salad bars? I'm hungry again. Yes, give me all the hard-boiled eggs. So how cute is that? Andrew was at the second Moana production. Well, he just finished and he took the girls out for ice cream. The boys are in bed and I'm getting hungry again. We made our Chick-fil-A cookies earlier and they were so good and I was so stuffed. I was like, oh my gosh, overdid it. Those cookies were huge. And now I'm hungry again. So it's 9:30. It's tempting to pour another glass of milk or a nice cup of hot tea and have another one. But instead, I'm going to have this ranch dressing with some carrots. I just named the channel Mother Rabbit's Kitchen and now I'm eating carrots. How cute is that? So the kids aren't with me right now because they're either asleep or out for ice cream with Andrew, but I wanted to share this recipe for this really, really good semi-homemade ranch dressing. The other day I was making salads for the family with bacon. It was like kind of like a Cobb salad, but I was doing ranch dressing and it was just expensive to get the one that I wanted. So I was like, let me just try to do it at home. So I went into the, like the soup aisle or whatever, and I got those Hidden Valley Ranch packets, which was $1.79, and then I already had buttermilk. The recipe is right on the back. You need buttermilk and mayonnaise, 1 cup of each. I already had both in my house, so I made ranch dressing for $1.79 instead of paying like $4 or $5 for like a good ranch dressing from the store. And then on top of the buttermilk and the mayonnaise that I mixed in, I also grated about a half a clove of fresh garlic. What was that noise? Scared the crap out of me. What is going on? Okay, anyway, I think it came from my phone. It scared me. To grate the garlic, you just take a clove of fresh garlic, and instead of smashing it to get the clove out, which will make it kind of messy, you just kind of want to like pinch and squeeze and rub the clove of garlic. And then the paper will come off and you'll have a nice, like, not smashed clove. You take your microplane grater and you just grate it. And I would say about half. And then I also probably added some salt because I just like my dressings to have tons of flavor. So I did that, mix it up, and then you can put it in a mason jar or just put it in a bowl and mix it up and stir it. So I am going to slice up some carrots and I'll show you how good this dressing looks when it pours out. It smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, were you like me as a kid and it was like the biggest treat ever? Okay, do you remember when Wendy's had salad bars? And they were the best because you could just like choose whatever. I would always pile on so much hard-boiled egg on myself. Like, what kid? Like, hard-boiled egg. I'm just like, yes, give me all the hard-boiled eggs on this crunchy lettuce and just ladles and ladles of that really thick, yummy ranch dressing. So this reminds me of that. It's not quite as thick, I don't think, but oh my gosh, just so much flavor, and you just want to like pour it on your salad. This is me passing over a Chick-fil-A cookie for carrots and dressing. So that's how good this is. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. That fresh garlic, that's why you only want to use a half a clove, because it's fresh, raw garlic. Woo! It is pungent, it is strong, and it is so good. So, okay, I'm gonna pour this in. Look how gloopy gloppy. Yeah, that's right, I'm going for it, filling up that whole little ramekin thing. Now, also, I like to buy organic carrots because they're not that much more expensive than the regular carrots, and they last for a long time in the fridge. And also, you don't have to peel these things, and you don't even want to peel these things. You just want to wash the carrots because there are a lot of vitamins and nutrients in the skin of the carrot. So even though it's not as pretty, you know it's all the good stuff. So I just cut off the ends like that, and then you can just do like little sticks. I do these like really weird cuts of carrot that I learned at a restaurant many years ago, many lives ago. So you can just grab one of your little funny looking little sticks here and dip it. So garlicky, so good. All right, I'm gonna eat like a lot more carrots and ranch. And then I'm probably gonna want a Chick-fil-A cookie after that, but I'm not gonna have one. Good night.